Nifty's early gains face potential wavering amid Fed rate cut uncertainty. Let's see market trends, technical analysis, and key events this week, including the FOMC minutes and non-farm payrolls report. In early action, GIFT Nifty is comfortably in the green. Our call of the day, however, suggests that on any excessive strength, Nifty may start to waver. The trading theme revolves around Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell's statement that inflation in the US has mostly peaked, but policymakers need to see more consistency in the data to be confident enough to cut interest rates. The minutes of its latest FOMC meeting will trickle in on this Wednesday, 3rd July 2024. The non-farm payrolls (NFP) report for June 2024 on Friday. As a reminder, Wall Street and the bond markets will close early Wednesday and stay shuttered Thursday for the 4th of July holiday. Long story short, an uninspiring session on cards. Global cues are positive. In Tuesday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 2,000 crores, while DIIs were net buyers to tune of Rs 648 crores. Sentiments for the day is likely to be risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals are indicating overbought technical conditions. FANDO June month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,500 to 24,500 zone. India VIX has slipped towards 13.64 levels. Nifty PCR, 25th July, is at 1.44 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 31st July, is at 1.24. Nifty outlook, an up and down session quite likely. Nifty, CMP to 4124. Key intraday support on Nifty is placed only at 23,851 mark. Immediate resistance is placed at 24,500 mark. Range for the day is between 24,000 and 24,300. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 5 to 168. Interweek support is placed at 51,827 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 53,181 mark. Range for the day is between 51,705 to 500. Bias for the day is neutral. In yesterday's trade, Nifty advanced into uncharted territory with record all-time high now at 24,236.35 mark. But the negative takeaway was that the benchmark drifted lower and remained sluggish all through the session. Profit booking blamed amidst dizzy heights. ONGC was in demand, up 1.01% on backdrop of strength in WTI oil prices towards $83.50 a barrel. WTI oil prices have shot higher towards $83.50 a barrel, around 2-month highs, on backdrop of geopolitical tensions. All eyes will be on the upcoming union budget, with the tentative dates for tabling the budget could be around July 23rd to 24th during the monsoon session.